What if animals knew something before we did? No weather app, no satellite, just instinct, and it works. These 5 animals have shocked scientists by predicting disasters before they happen. Earthquakes, tsunamis, storms, they sense them coming. 1. Dogs aren't just man's best friend. They might be early warning systems too. Hours before earthquakes, dogs act strange, pacing, hiding, or even trying to escape. Scientists think they hear underground shifts or feel vibrations humans can't. In Japan, dogs have been seen barking before tremors. In China, dogs alerted owners before deadly quakes. They knew before any alarm, coincidence, or ancient instinct. 2. Elephants during the 2004 tsunami. Elephants at a tourist park broke their chains. They ran uphill fast. Minutes later, the tsunami hit. They survived. Almost everyone else didn't. Elephants hear low-frequency rumbles from miles away. These patterns aren't random, they've been recorded and analyzed. Their giant feet may sense ground waves. Scientists call it seismic sensitivity. Locals call it a miracle. 3 toads just days before the 2009 Italy earthquake. A colony of toads disappeared. Completely. Overnight, they left their breeding pond for no clear reason. 5 days later, a 6.3 magnitude quake hit. Nature's warnings are subtle, but animals seem to hear them loud and clear. Toads were gone before any human warning. Can they sense chemical shifts in groundwater? Or electric changes underground? No one knows for sure, but the timing was too perfect. 4. Cats. Mysterious, independent, and maybe psychic. Before disasters, cats often vanish or they act erratic. Scratching doors, refusing food, climbing high surfaces. In Japan and Turkey, cats have been seen fleeing coastal towns. Before tsunamis struck, some return after. Scientists still struggle to fully explain how animals do it. Do they smell ozone in the air? Or feel magnetic shifts? Maybe both. Cats know when it's time to go. 5. Birds. Birds are nature's alarms. Before earthquakes, flocks suddenly fly away. Even at night. Before storms, birds stop chirping or leave entire areas. Before the 2011 Oklahoma tornado, birds disappeared hours ahead. Researchers noticed radar images with no birds. Some believe it's sensitivity to barometric pressure or magnetic fields. And then the sky turned black. They were gone before it hit. Nature doesn't lie. Final thoughts. Some say it's myth, some say luck, but the evidence is piling up. Animals feel what we ignore, see what we miss, and act on instinct we've forgotten. No lab coats, no data, just survival. Maybe we should pay attention. Maybe they know more than we think. After all, they've been warning us. We just didn't listen. Others think it's a form of instinct we've lost over time. Regardless, animals consistently act before disaster strikes. In villages, farmers often trust their livestock more than forecasts. Stories passed down for generations mention these signs. Before modern tools, people watched animals to predict danger. Maybe technology made us forget what instinct feels like. But animals, they never stopped listening to the earth. They move before the sky falls, before the earth splits. It's not magic hits biology tuned by survival. It's why the oldest myths speak of birds vanishing before disaster, or cats hiding, or dogs refusing to walk a familiar path. Even ants have been seen evacuating nests before earthquakes. We once called it superstition, but maybe it's wisdom. When birds vanish, storms often follow. It's been observed globally. Before tsunamis, animals often flee inland with no visible warning. This behavior has saved human lives when people chose to follow them. Science is still catching up to what animals seem to know instinctively. We measure earthquakes after they happen. Animals sense them before. It's a reminder that not all intelligence is human. Some things can't be detected by machines but are felt by fur and feather. Humans rely on data. Animals rely on thousands of years of evolution. Their bodies are tuned to the planet in a way we've forgotten. They survive because they listen to the earth, the air, the silence. It's time we listened to the warnings right in front of us.